You can download our free GoHighLevel template for your agency with pre-built high-converting landing pages, CRMs, and automations. All you have to do is sign up with our 14-day free trial link if you're a new GoHighLevel user, or upgrade to GoHighLevel Pro with our links below. Once you do that, you can send us an email with a subject line free template. This is a limited offer and we will put a price on this soon. So let's get right into the video. So you want to set up auto reply to comments on social media. Well, you can do this with this tool. So I will show you how to do this with GoHighLevel. This is the tool that I'm using right here. You will need to go and sign up for GoHighLevel. It's completely free for 30 days with our link below. So make sure to do that, and once you do that, all you have to do is go and create a sub account here. And once you create a sub account here, as you can see, I have my sub account right here, and I can basically go to my automations here. And this software is really great because you can set up so many automations that can benefit to you and to your social media profile. So you can also create them with your social media profile. So create workflow here and select a recipe. And basically right here, let me just find it. So there is a recipe right here for Instagram comment automation. So you can use this recipe to automate the DM replies to comments on Instagram, and also to automate the comments as well. So you can use this, or you can use Facebook comments as well. However, I like to use this, and if I go here, I will kind of show you how this looks like right here. And as you can see, obviously just click here, got it. So the trigger is an Instagram comment on a post. So whenever there is an Instagram comment on a post on the page that we select right here, and by the way, what you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to go to settings, and you're going to go to integrations. And in integrations, make sure you connect your Facebook or Instagram. So you can do this on Facebook or Instagram. Unfortunately, you cannot do this on other platforms. However, if you go back, we can go back to automations and back to this recipe that we created. It's basically a template. And as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So there is a trigger. Page is, once you integrate the page, it will be right here. And then obviously you can add more filters here if you want, but it's not necessary for now. Just save the trigger. And the next thing is respond on a comment. So when there is a comment, like a new comment, just respond to the comment. So as you can see, you can create multiple comments to be sent randomly as comment replies. So you have multiple different responses. You can add more responses here as well. And also, obviously, here's an Instagram interactive messenger. So whenever there is a comment on a post, so whenever there is a comment on a page and on a post, then you will be able to go here and you will be able to add also a filter for a specific keyword. So for example, whenever there is a comment on a post on a page that is your page, and the comment is, for example, free, then you respond to that comment and you respond with one of these two, right? You can also add multiple responses. And you can also like delete this entire thing right here if you don't want the DMs, because the DMs are right here. So these are the DMs. So as you can see, Instagram interactive messenger, reply to comment via DM. Hi, I'm excited that you want to start your personal finance journey, right? You can delete this if you want, and this will basically be it, right? If you delete this, so for example, if we delete this action, then whenever there is a comment on an Instagram post on a page that is our page, and the comment is, you can add a filter again, and the comment is saying free, you can respond to that comment, right? So that's what you can do with a comment automation. However, if you go with Control Z right here, I think we can do that, or we cannot actually do that, but let's just go back and let me confirm the changes. You can basically go and you can also adjust later on the DMs as well, right? The DMs right here. So obviously this will be totally up to you, but yeah, you get the point. You can also trigger this with Instagram or any other social media platform. As I said, you have Facebook as well. But yeah, you can see here that obviously you'll need to integrate the page to do that. So that's pretty much it, right? That's how you can automate or auto reply to comments on social media with GoHighLevel. It's a really incredible tool. We have a bunch of more tutorials on our channel for GoHighLevel, So definitely check that out as well. And yeah, check out our 30-day free trial if you want to try out GoHighLevel. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.